So I got a box. This box is from Pete and Pedro. So Pete and Pedro has been around for just a little while. They have a primary focus on men's grooming, and they've just recently stepped into the fragrance field. But I did not expect to get a box this size. So I don't know entirely what is in here. But at the end of this video, you and I will both know what is in this box. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. And now, here we go. So first thing right off rip you'll see in this right here is gonna be the thank you for your order right here. Back here you'll see the breakdown of 2 of their fragrances. Now they do have one new one that's not on this thing, but you'll see down here you get 20% off with the code The Fragrance Set, which I'll have it linked down in the description down below. Shout out to Aaron, what's up man? So the first thing that I pulled out here is gonna be a candle, which you'll see here is leather, tobacco, and vanilla. It's also a very cool label here guys. You see those little designs there? This guy up. That right there. Looks a little wick there. Okay. So off the initial just smelling of the candle, it reminded me a lot of this. A lot of Naxos by Xerox. But replace that honey with leather, and you're gonna get something like this. While I have it here, there we go. Does anyone know if they've made a fragrance that smells like the aroma after you blow out a candle? Just asking. And next thing we got here guys are gonna be 2 body washes. I have Desperado. So this body wash is scented like rum and tobacco. And yes, in case you guys are wondering, the details for the scent is here on the back of the bottle. But I guess they weren't aware that I had been using this already. And yeah, this is definitely a rum and dry tobacco scent. It does smell better and more like a masculine scent than those like $4 ones that you get from like Dollar General and places. You can just tell with Desperado that the scent was a priority, along with being clean after the shower, because that's what it's intended to do is be body wash. The scent also you can tell was a priority. Now on to the gold, which I'm not too familiar with. I have not tried this one out. So it is described as a manly fresh scent with a hint of leather, and you'll see it's the gold and the pearl color there as well. Hey, kind of cool. What's kind of cool about this is they also include directions on how to use it. And part 2 of those directions were to lather, so they shipped me one of these guys to use with the body wash. So big ups to Pete and Pedro. I really appreciate you guys mailing these out to me. Now, if either one of these do interest you, I will have my link in the description in case you want to get 15% off of these products. That's including these 2, the candle, the scrubber, the fragrances. That link and using code GeorgiaGent will give you a nice little chunk off. Guys, that is that. I don't have any fragrances to share with you guys today. Or I do have fragrances to share with you guys, but this is going to be just about this box here. And guys, like I always say, keep it gent, love your scent, and I will see you all next time.